Hi, this is Vamsi Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain my sixth experiment in Unix and Linux lab. That is bank management system. First, we are using while function for that. Echo 1 for deposit, 2 for withdraw, 3 for balance, 4 for new account. We need to enter the choice, and it will read through read ch. If you are if you are creating new account, that means here function new function echo enter your name. That means you need to enter our name. It will read as a and echo your, that means it will display your name. There is Vamsi. If I create Vamsi, echo, that means it will, after creating it should show output in new account created and check balance. And if you are creating here is a deposit, that means we are deposit function for this. Echo, that means enter how much amount we are deposit into that account. It will read through take through as read am, and expression for that is equal to c equals to, that means it will store in the c expression $am, that means account name account deposit plus 1000 output should be deposited successfully. If you want to withdraw the amount, we need to enter the amount how much we need to withdraw, and it will read through AMM. If $AMM, that means greater than $C, that means how much is the deposited in that bank, and it will check for that. C less than equal to 0, it will show that you cannot withdraw. You can withdraw the amount at most is rupees, it will show. Else C equals to the expression $C minus $M, that means $C first we are created for the here. That means it will how much an amount should be there, and it will minus, that means $C minus $M. It will show the output as withdrawn successful. If you are checking for balance, it will show the display echo your balance is $C, that means it will show the current balance. Here is the closing function of that case function, that means 1 for deposit, 2 for withdraw, 3 for balance, 4 for new account. Look into the output. Yeah, first we need to we are creating a new account for name, that means it is showing that you are Vamsi, and new account created for check balance, and 1 for deposit, we need to deposit. I'm depositing 12,300. It will show the command deposited successfully. And for withdrawn, I'm entering to how much, enter the amount to withdraw 12,000. Withdrawn successful. And here we are checking for balance 3. It will show the balance as your current balance is 1,300. Thank you. Then here we have another program, that means we need to show the library management system 6. This is the program for central library, that means you need to add book. If you want to display book, it will everything should be shown here. First, I'm using through welcome to library using echo command. It will should show like this, and it will start from I equal to 0 and flag equal to 0. If you want to add the book to the central library, and we need to enter the book name here, and it will take through a book name of I, and book author, that means author name of the book, and book ID we need to give book publisher. If book available I, that is equal to, it will show as Y, that means yes, otherwise incremented, that means I plus plus. And if you want to display the book echo, using the echo command, it will show the list of books. Using for command j equals, it starts from j equal to 0, j less than I, and j plus plus, and it should display book ID equals to book ID, that means whichever we have entered in the add book booking, and book name of that, and booking author, and book publisher, and if availability, it should show the function. It will display here. And if you are searching for a book, here is the code for searching for book. Start from flag equal to 0 echo, that means we need to enter book ID, and it will read through book ID, that means book ID. For it starts from j equals to 0, j less than I, it will increment through j plus plus. It will come into the if function. If book ID j, that equals to book ID equals to that book ID, then it should show book found. echo book id, that means it will display book id, that means $J. Book name, it will book found, it will display all the details of the book. And if book not found, it will display that books not found. If you are lending a book, we need to enter the book id. It means it will read through as book id. Bk equals to y, and it will start for loop j equals to 0, j less than a, j plus plus. If book available, it double equals to book average, and then thank you for lending, it will display. And if a book is not available, it will show the output as book not available. Then here the if flag function, that is equals to 0, that means it will check for the book, it is not found, it will show as book not found. If you are returning a book, we need to enter the book num book id to be returned, and it will read through as book id. And if book id j equals to, that means if book id equals bid equals to book id, then it will available, and thank you for returning, it will display. And book name, it will should be displayed. Else echo, that means book already returned. If you are returned already, it will show the book already returned. And using that while command, here 1 for add book, 2 for search book, and 3 for lend book, 4 for display, return, and we need to enter the choice. If you are pressing any other button, it will display as invalid button, please choose again. Let's look into the output of that. Yeah, first we need to add the book name of the book, Java, author Jens, id 1 2 3 4, publisher, print, publishers, print some. And after that we are searching for a book. If you are searching for a book, to book id 1 2 3 4. Yeah, because it here actually we have entered one book, and here it will show the book command, that book of book id equals to 10, book name Java, and book author, that means Jim, and publisher prints Sun. If book availability, it will display here by y. And if you want to search display book, that means I am using 4 button. Yeah, here the list of books available in the library. And if you want to lend a book, 3 for lend a book, 1 2 3 4, book id. Yeah, thank you for lending Java, that means the book of that name should be here displayed here. If you want to return a book, press 5 for return book. The book, enter a book id to be returned 1 2 3 4. Thank you for returning Java, that means it will display a program like this. Thank you.